one, it is our refining tank. For the refining, it normally has 4 steps: degumming, deacidification, decolorization, and deodorization. So if you like to do the batch type refining or semi-continuous type or continuous type, we all have the equipment inside of the factory. Tell us what you need, we can give you our recommendations for you. And also, this is another. Check about it. It will ship to Venezuela. And this is a 30 ton per day. 30 ton per day refining tank here. And for this one, it is a batch type. So degumming and deacidification, it is all in this one tank. Next time, if I can, I will show you how this refining process it is working. All right. So this is the refining tank, and for different capacities, we have different size. This is a 30 ton per day, and we do have 50 ton per day, 1 ton per day, or 10 ton per day. This is another one, batch type refining tank, and this one that is covered by the plastic cover here. It is the whole refining process. So for this one, it is a batch type also. We have 4 tanks. We have 4 tanks here, and for the first 2, one is we normally only use 1 to do the refining. For another one, it is for like the in case. So for the first 2, it is normally to do the degumming, deacidification, and you may notice the equipment, the tank here, it is totally different because for the first 2, you do need to put the oil, put the crude oil get into this one, and you don't need to make it like under pressure. But for the bottom 2, the decolorization and deodorization, you have to make it in like under pressure situation to done that. And let's show you more for the pump here. And because the crude oil it is really ropey, so we do have our own special pump that is placed inside of the refining process. And if you'd like to know more, talk to our assistant. They can show you more videos, more pictures, and more feedback from our private clients.